SDL or Selective Deposition Lamination is a proprietary 3D printing process developed and manufactured by Amcor Technologies. The SDL 3D printing process builds part layer by layer using standard copier paper. Each new layer is fixed to the previous layer using an adhesive, which is applied selectively according to the 3D data supplied to the machine. This means that a much higher density of adhesive is deposited in the area that will become the part, and a much lower density of adhesive is applied in the surrounding area that will serve as the support. SDL is one of the very few 3D printing processes that can produce full color 3D printing parts using a CYMK color palette.